Hey everyone, welcome back to Matin's Kitchen. It's been a little while since our last video, but I'm super thrilled to be back with another delicious journey. Before we dive into today's recipe, I have some incredible news to share with all of you. My husband and I are overjoyed to announce that we are expecting our first child. I know, it's truly a blessing and we are filled with gratitude. I'm currently 15 weeks along. Now you know why I've been a bit absent lately. But I'm feeling much better now and I'm super excited to be back and active on our channel, sharing more mouth-watering recipes with all of you guys. So without further ado, let's get into today's recipe. We are baking some bagels. And trust me, it's easier than you think if you just follow along. Imagine waking up to fresh homemade bagels for Saturday breakfast. Sounds amazing, right? So, gather your ingredients and let's embark on another delicious journey together.
Begin by adding yeast to lukewarm water. Using a whisk, give it a good mix until the yeast is completely dissolved. This step is crucial for activating the yeast and getting that perfect rise in our bagels. Once the yeast is dissolved, it's time to bring all of our ingredients together. Pour the mixture into the bowl of a stand mixer and add in the remaining ingredients: olive oil, sugar, salt, all-purpose flour, and whole wheat flour. Now attach the dough hook to the stand mixer and let it work its magic. We're going to knead the dough on speed 2 for about 10 minutes. You'll know the dough is ready when the sides and bottom of the bowl are completely clean. Next, cover the bowl with a kitchen towel and let the dough rest for an hour. This allows the dough to rise and develop flavor. After the dough has had time to rest, turn it out onto your work surface and divide it into 6 individual pieces, each weighing around 97 grams. Shape each piece into a tight ball and cover them with plastic wrap. Let them rest for another 10 minutes while we prepare the soda bath. In a saucepan, add 1.5 liters of water along with baking soda and malt syrup. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer. Now it's time to shape our bagels. Take one of the dough and gently press your thumb through the center to create a hole. Then using both thumbs, stretch the dough outward until you have a hole about 1 to 2 inches in diameter. Repeat this process with the remaining dough. Once our bagels are shaped, place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now comes the fun part, the hot bath. Carefully place 3 bagels at a time into the simmering water and let them bath for about a minute. Be sure to flip them a few times to ensure both sides are evenly bathed. This step is crucial for achieving the golden crust and delightful texture we all love in a bagel. After our bagels have had their hot bath, it's time for toppings. Coat both sides with a mixture of white and black sesame seeds for added flavor and texture. Immediately transfer the bagels onto a preheated oven at 200 Celsius and bake them for 22 minutes, reducing the heat to 180 Celsius after 12 minutes. And there we have it, freshly baked bagels straight from your own kitchen. Once they're done baking, transfer them on a wire rack to cool. Now all that's left to do is enjoy these delicious homemade treats with your favorite spreads or topping. Thanks for joining me on this bagel adventure. Until next time, happy baking!